dyan. Palengke ko ha. Hindi ko di malengke ka na.
Sa? Kami manang. Kuhan ko palit ko ka na na ink bitaw na yung stampad. Kasi nag-order si Jeep pag mahirap mag sa ticket bitaw ng San Antonio na isulat. Kailangan mayroon ng itamp-tamp ganyan na.
Parang
dito sa Regis.
Anong year mo na ngayon? Sige. God bless. Sabi mo kay Papa Jesus, patawad. Dali, dali.
Ano ginagawa niyo dyan? Ha? Ana? Ano ginagawa niyo dyan?
Bili daw kami od-od.
Dali lang kayo ha.
Isang dito kasi mababa na. Kasi hindi naman ito.
God bless. Kailangan mabait. Ilan na anak mo?
4 po.
Oh, 4 na. Ang dami. Siya. Nag-sign ka naman.
Tastes like lasagna. Straight up. Go to Olive Garden.
Oh, give him a sip.
Game Season 2 behind the scenes secret. Lori, who plays Johnny, was a pro at Dodachi during rehearsal, but on set, she just couldn't flip those paper tiles, and she had to make it look like she nailed it. MC1, our player 333, practiced kicking the JD non-stop for 2 days, but when it came to filming, he couldn't get it right and had to kick it with stiff, straight legs instead. Tom Manolo, his player 388, worked hard on his gongi skill, but in the end, a professional gongi master stepped in, and clever editing made it look like he was playing. Lee Kyung-hun, player 001, one job, fail at the spinning top game. Every single time he threw the top,
Di ako nakakuha ng guyabano. Sabi ng Papa Jesus,
blue.
Papa Jesus, pwede na yung pakwan at saka yung lemon. Diba? Ano sabi? Okay. Uy, pwede daw. Pero sa'yo, anong damit Papa Jesus?
Red tapos white.
Red, white.
Legend finally Lisa Hope won across the finish line in tears.
You want?
Victory team.
Meron, banana.
Bumped into the camera and it hurt. The best Squid Game season.
Money. Tinapay.
Not allowed.
Sarap mga ito.